everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of OMI app. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about OMI app and we click. Then we go to first stop and we click on first stop. Here we click OK. Then we go to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching and your attention.